Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veo AI for free. So in your Google search bar, just head over and search for Google Veo AI. And from here, you're going to need to choose your access point. You can access Veo AI via Google DeepMind, but we're going to access it via Gemini. Just click on Gemini, the Google link. So right now, VEO is in limited beta, but we can still try it out. Start by clicking on Try VEO. You will then be redirected to their plans. So to get access to the Google VEO3, we're going to need to subscribe to the following subscriptions. You can try Google AI Pro since this is free for 1 month just by clicking on Get Google AI Pro, then just agree to terms of service. So, once the subscription is made, you can now enjoy the VEO features, and all you have to do is describe the video or the AI video that you want to generate by describing it on plain text and let VEO do its thing, just like the example that you see in your screen. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!